Do you love coffee? I know I really love coffee. Just to give you an example, I typically go through a pot of coffee every single morning. And believe it or not, it used to be worse. So when this company, I'm gonna mess up the name, ODIFORGO, asked me to review their product, Milk Frother, I felt a little bit out of my realm because basically I'm a little bit more Folgers and less Starbucks oriented. My idea of a bougie coffee is when I stick whipped cream in it. So the opportunity to check this out, I wasn't quite sure what to do with it. I had to check it out myself online and look at how other people are using it and what other frothers are available out there. And I'll tell you what, the more I researched, the more impressed I've been with this. The more I've practiced with it, the more impressed I am with this. Let's cover some of the things that this thing does. First off, this is the basic unit. It comes with 3 different tools. It comes with a handbook, and it comes with a recharging cable. No individual batteries that you have to keep up and keep stocked and worry about. And what I really like about this, it's a standard type of charging cable that they're using on most objects today. It's not that little mini HDMI deal that you have to search through a drawer to find an old one because nothing really uses those things anymore. It's just a standard recharging cable that you're probably using for most Android type of phones today. So if you lose this, you can still charge this up. So what do you do with all these different things? This is the one that's kind of puzzled. What do you do with that? It kind of looks like a dough hook. It's for powdered items, or you can make jellies with it, or baby food. So let's do something here. I used to use meal replacements, and I had all these powders, and you stick them into a big jar, and you have to shake it all up. You can use those with this. Now, the only thing I've got close to that right now is a sodium, supplement, because I'm basically on carnivore. Add some water to this. So if you've got a meal replacement, you've got something with a lot of powder in it, I think even oatmeal is a suggestion. Stick this type in, it just kind of snaps in very easily. It's got 3 different power levels. So I'm gonna just use this on the low power level. And more quickly, easily, completely turns that into something that you're gonna wanna drink versus, all that shaking or stirring, and you always have that little residue left at the bottom. There's nothing left at the bottom of this. Let's do a little frothing here. Got my coffee ready. Pour in a little bit of whole milk here. Gonna stick that in the microwave. I don't know, maybe 45 seconds. Got my hot milk here. Gonna be doing this on high speed with the frothing attachment. Make sure you have a tall enough container where it doesn't all come out. And you can see how much farther it's come up in the container. Pour that into my coffee. Got my little foam action going here. Voila, there it is. That's awesome. So what else can I do with this thing? How about whipped cream? Gonna toss a little whipped cream in here. A little heavy whipping cream. Gonna put on this attachment. Gonna start out low, move up to a higher speed, give it a shot at the highest. Perfect whipped cream. Check it out. That's gonna go great on coffee too. What I really love is doing this for scrambling my eggs. You know what I like to do with my eggs sometimes? I may like to put a little dollop of whipped cream in with them. So I'm not even gonna bother cleaning this. I'm just gonna put it directly in here. And you wanna do this on low. This is putting a lot of air into your egg mixture, and it's gonna make very fluffy omelets, very fluffy scrambled eggs. I've been playing with this all week. It works great. That's really all there is to it. Ready to toss those in. Scrambled eggs from a restaurant are not going to come out any better than this. How easy is this to clean? Here's what I've been doing. I just put a little dollop of dish detergent in there. Add some hot water, stick it in, turn it on. Rinse it off. And you're good. But I believe all of these attachments are also dishwasher safe. And the price for a milk frother, generally they're gonna run between about $5 for a super cheap, inexpensive, probably very, very basic model, to about $60. But this runs about 16 bucks on Amazon. I don't think you can find a better one. Most of them tend to have batteries. The higher level ones tend to have rechargeable. And I love the fact that it's a standard charging cable. It's got 3 speeds, a lot of them don't. It's got 3 whisk, most only have 1 to 2. This is a heck of a deal. You're gonna want one of these. Get you one. Catch you the next time. Bye-bye.